In the Time Log tab, at the very beginning, you will see a Start button. Once you click on the button, the clock will start counting, representing the passing of time. After the clock has accumulated some time, in this example, 2 hours and 7 minutes, you can start to assign this time to task. Press the Save button to enter the log screen. There are two ways to log a task. You can either enter the name of that task manually or choose a favorite task from the favorite list at the bottom part of the screen. To log a task, choose a favorite task or enter the task manually. Assign a span of time to it. For example, we have 2 hours and 7 minutes accumulated in the clock, and we want to assign 25 minutes of that time to the task called dinner. Just use the scroll bar to assign 25 minutes to the task, or click on the clock to choose a time from the menu. You can also add any note to the task. Once you are done and clicked the Save button, a window will pop up to ask you to rate the energy needed for this task. Choose a rating to finish the recording. If you record the time using a favorite task, you will not need to rate your energy. It is already preset when you create a new favorite task. To add or edit a favorite task, click on the Favorite button on the screen. Click on Edit and then the plus button. There, you can enter the favorite task name, set up the default energy required for this task, and choose tags you want to assign to the task. You can also rearrange the order to the favorite list so you can have that task you use the most placed on the very top of the list. If you want to see your log data, you can go to the Time Log tab and click on the Log button. Here, you will see all the data you have recorded. If you want to edit them, you can click on the data you want to edit. It will take you to the Editing page. Here you can increase or decrease the time of a task in relation to the task before or after it. For example, if you want to increase the time of the task by giving it more time from its next task, just click the Next button and use the scroll bar to change the time on both tasks. Once you change time on one task, the time on the other will be adjusted accordingly. If you want to insert a new task in between any of the existing data, you can do so by first choosing the task you want your new task to insert after. Then click the plus button. It will ask you to enter a name for the task. Once you are done, a box will appear and ask you to rate the energy required for that task. After you assign a rating, you will be finished with inserting a new task. The new task will start with 0 time. You have to reallocate the time from an adjacent task to your new task. Tags are important in analyzing your tasks. To manage your tag or assign a tag to a task, go to the Time Log tab and click on the tag icon. To add a tag, click the Edit and then the plus icon. In this page, you can enter a name for your new tag and assign the tag to a group. Grouping the tag is important because it can help you to analyze your data from different perspectives. If you want to add a new group, simply click on the Add Group button and enter the name for the group. You can also group the tag by clicking on the Edit button and manually moving the tag up and down to different groups. Now you have your tags set up. It is time to assign them to your task. Each task can take more than one tag. Simply click on the task on the left first and choose the tags you want to add from the right. The No Tag button can help you quickly find the task which does not have any tag. So you don't need to scroll up and down to find the task.